Hey, Robin here from Robin's Drones. So a couple of weeks ago I had a reply to one of my videos, and they were worried about how long it takes to set the Dji Mini 2 SE up and to get it flying. So I'll put this on screen, but it just says, how long does it take to get the drone out and fly from a chair with a bag next to you? That is what I'd like to know. So grab your drone, grab the controller, put your phone in, start the drone, connect Wi-Fi, calibration, wait for satellites, how many seconds? They also said, having to mess with a phone is not practical. Can you just fly it without the phone? Well, yes, you can. It may seem unimportant to you, but if it takes an hour to fly a drone, you're not going to bother on a bike tour. So start over and begin at the real beginning. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've got my stopwatch ready. I'm going to see how long it takes to actually get the drone up in the air from the bag. So I'm going to start my stopwatch and let's see how long it will take. I'm not going to rush. I'm not going to try and do a Guinness World Record thingy. Right, let's go. Undo the back. I think I'll take the drone out first. Take the gimbal cover off. By doing the drone first, it lets the satellites lock on, I think. So the drone's turned on. Let's put it down there. Remote control. Let's get the cable out. These controllers are so good because you just push your phone in. Push the phone in, plug her in, turn her on. We're at 40 seconds. Screw the little knobs in. The app's automatically connected. It says go fly. I'm going to click that. And take off permitted. Once I screw these in, I will move the chair a bit and I will take off. And start recording. So there we go. That is 1:07 to get the drone. Spin her around, see if we can get a video of me. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. 1 minute. Go back a bit. Yeah, so you can easily do it in under 2 minutes. Right, let's land this drone. It's a bit noisy. Disorientated, it's facing the wrong way. Right, let's land it. So there you go. You can get your drone out in definitely under 2 minutes and start flying, which is good. Right, hope you enjoyed this content. Please like and subscribe for more videos. See you later.